Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. A while back I did a video where I showed you guys how we had a bunch of volunteer plants coming up in the mulch bed here. We had a lot of tomatoes and wonderful marigolds as well that came up here. And you know, it was questionable in my mind because they came up so late whether or not they would actually be able to bring fruit. And as you can see, some of them actually have done quite well. This black tomato here came up, you know, as a volunteer plant from last year's harvest, or whatever you want to call it, growth. And there are a ton of tomatoes on here, and I'm pretty sure they will still ripen. They're getting very close. So just wanted to do just a really quick update to say that, yeah, some of these can actually produce fruit, even though they started really late. And yeah, they're very similar to ones that we actually planted out ourselves. So yeah, just wanted to share that, and yeah, give hope for anybody else who might be doing the same thing and just leave some of your seeds around. It's obviously a more kind of guaranteed method if you actually start them early and plant them out, but you can see that there are still pretty good sized tomatoes coming up on a lot of these that just grew up. And this actually isn't even the best part of the garden because it's a little bit shaded. But you can see there's tomatoes all throughout this whole little planting. I'm sure if we had actually staked it and taken a little bit better care of it, it would have probably done even better. But yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video, just keeping it short. Hope everybody's good, and hope everybody's growing. Thanks, bye. I also just want to end it on a more positive note as well. Just showing off a few more of the tomatoes that we just picked. So there's just tomatoes galore coming in. They're wonderful. Got a few green ones in there that fell off by mistake, but got a lot of the nice black ones too, and the yellow ones that have been doing great all summer. So yeah, it's great. We also picked a bunch of apples from the floor. The ones on the tree are still mostly unripe. These are all kind of damaged or bruised, or maybe they have a little bit of, you know, some kind of insect damage. But we're gonna peel these and probably make some jam out of this, or maybe a pastry. But anyway, lots of tomatoes, lots more fruit to come. So stay tuned if you want to see the rest of the harvest. Bye everybody.